the blue screen stop error can pop up at any given time. Here's what you can do when it happens to your PC. The most common reasons for the blue screen of death are when you upgrade to a new version of Windows, after a third-party application installation, incompatible hardware, and driver issues. So what should you do? If you think it's related to one of these causes, here are some direct steps to follow. Check for any updates made to your operating system. Go into Settings, click on Update and Security, and then on Windows Update. Click the Check for Updates Now button and wait for it to detect if any new updates are found. If so, install them. Uninstall any unnecessary apps or any pieces of software recently installed. Go into Settings, click on Apps, then on Apps and Features. Select the recent app and click the Uninstall button. Follow any on-screen directions to complete the uninstall process. For a recently upgraded operating system, an app reinstallation process could solve your problem. A recently installed new piece of hardware could be the culprit. First, check if your new hardware is installed properly. Check the physical connections such as the cable or the pin alignment. If you find that it isn't, then reinstall it. If it is properly installed, try installing the latest driver. Check the driver manufacturer's website for the most up-to-date availability. If you still have issues, compare the compatibility of your PC with your new hardware to make sure they are a match. For Dell hardware compatibility, visit dell.com/support, enter your service tag, go into Manuals and Documents, and look in the owner's manual for the relevant technical specifications. If the stop error occurs after installing a driver, then uninstall it. Press the Windows key and the X key and open the Device Manager. Find the problematic device and expand it. Right-click the specific device and select Uninstall. Alternatively, sometimes it's possible to roll back the driver, which may fix the issue. Watch our video about how to restore drivers to a previous state to learn all about this process. If you're not sure of the exact cause, use Dell Support Assist. Open Support Assist. Click the Troubleshooting tab, and then on the My PC Stop Responding option, and then hit Fix Now. Support Assist will start scanning the entire system. Once complete, Support Assist will inform you of any issues and next step resolutions. Whenever you need help or have questions, you can always reach out to us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, or join in the chat on the Dell Community Forum. Be sure to check out our other videos on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.